In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Microsoft Teams date format. Changing the date format can make it easier to work across different regions and ensure that your dates are displayed in a way that's most familiar and coherent for you. So let's dive right in and make these updates together. First things first, we need to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign in option. Go ahead and click on that. You'll need to use your Microsoft account to log in, so make sure you have your credentials ready. Logging in is just like opening the door to your digital office, so let's get that door open. After you've successfully signed in, take a quick glance at the top right of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. This little picture is essentially your gateway to personal settings and adjustments, so go ahead and give it a click. Upon clicking your profile photo, a new option will appear named My Microsoft Account. This is where Microsoft keeps all the nuts and bolts that you can tweak to make your account work just the way you like it. Click on this option to proceed to the next step. Once you're viewing your Microsoft account, you'll notice a tab labeled Your Info at the top of the page. This section is effectively your digital ID within Microsoft's universe, containing all the key details about you and your account. Click on Your Info to move forward. Now you'll be met with several options related to your account, but we're particularly interested in the regional format setting. This might not sound like an adventure, but trust me, it's your ticket to customizing how dates and times appear in Teams. Click on Regional Format to continue. Here's the part where you get to express a bit of your personal flair, or at least your regional preference. You'll have the option to change the date and time format. Each choice adjusts how dates and times will be displayed across Microsoft Teams, allowing for a range of formats that better suit your locale or personal preference. Lastly, after you've dialed in your desired settings, you'll want to make sure everything is saved. Look for the Done button, which might as well be labeled Seal the Deal, because clicking it will save your settings. Once clicked, you've successfully customized the date and time formats for your Microsoft Teams account, and that's all there is to it. You've now personalized your Microsoft Teams experience a little bit further by updating the date format to match your regional or personal preference. Remember, these little tweaks can make your digital workspace feel much more comfortable and intuitive, reducing friction and enhancing productivity. We hope you found this guide helpful. Adjusting the date format is just one of many ways you can personalize and optimize your experience within Microsoft Teams and other Microsoft services. Keep exploring, stay curious, and never hesitate to customize your digital environment to work better for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.